Mic check, mic check. Hey, what's up, guys? Jesse here. If you'll notice, the room behind me is quite empty, and it's very echoey in here. It's getting empty. This will probably be my last video from the old place. We've moved into the new house almost completely now, but I wanted to go over musical SEO, the tool that I built for you guys, the free tool that I built for all of you to be able to do niche research, find those untapped niches, and of course, major credibility check. Why are you watching this? Why are other people watching this? Why is everybody subscribed to this channel, especially if this is your first time here? I get that question a lot because I've made over $91,000 with AI music by doubling down on my best sounding music and making more music that sounds good like that music, not just spamming out AI slot, contrary to popular belief. Culminating on even this last month, my highest paycheck so far just from DistroKid of $23,000 in a total month. That's not counting YouTube AdSense, which was just over $1,000 this month. That's not counting school communities. That's not counting, I'm forgetting something else. There's some other monetizations I got going on too. It's not counting other money. It's not counting, any, referrals that I got going out, right? We profited over $30,000 this month in total, outside of my normal pay and all of that. And I share everything here. You can ask me questions about anything like, hey, what about YouTube? What about this? But the main strategy is to upload full albums to DistroKid and upload music. Like, that's it. It's that simple. And you make better music every time you upload it. All right. Yeah, back to the video. Niches. I found it. I've been searching in some untapped niches myself. I'm going to sign in here and remember to blot out my Gmails. I'm really talking to myself here, but I just added Google authentication, so you can create and add an account with your Google account now, and then log right in and get started. It'll takes a little load you up right to the dashboard here, and same dashboard as before, and have everything integrated here. It's going to do the different analyses for you, cross-platform analyses, utilizing all of Spotify, YouTube, and iTunes data. It's my API keys for you guys to use. Just pulling data from mine. One of the niches I've been looking into is country rap. So I think I'm going to do an outlaw country rap artist. So you see it does have free and pro. So there is a paid account where you can use my API keys to do some keyword research. But we'll take a look at both of those here. So the free one is going to pull up all your Google suggested keywords and your YouTube suggested keywords for free. It's going to pull them up for you. You're going to be able to get this data all for free. It's going to pull up the top 10 tracks from Spotify, top 10 tracks from YouTube, top 10 tracks from iTunes, and it gives you 21 from iTunes actually. And these are all clickable, take you right to them. And so why this is powerful is that you'll be able to instantly get data on whether you want to go into this niche, what your thumbnails should be looking like, what your music maybe should sound like, if you want to make that kind of music, and instant competitor data, always for free for you, along with keywords that you can use to title your song, or title your, not your songs, title your videos on YouTube or Google, title your blogs on YouTube, etc. But you can see what people are searching for. And this is the free one. It has all that, and all these are clickable. You can just go click and take you right to Spotify and whatnot. We're not going to log into there too much. But as you'll get 5 free searches a day with my API. So I'm paying for this, right? It cost me just a few cents, a few pennies. I don't mind. But if you click on Pro here, you'll get 5 a day with the free one. And it'll pull up your search volume, your cost per click. And why does this matter? Well, if you're going to build a website, start advertising your website, this will definitely matter. Or if you're going to advertise your videos, you'll kind of get a better understand. You still get all the suggestions, but it's also going to pull related keywords for you. So you can kind of get a bigger grasp of what the broader internet is thinking when it is searching for your music as well. But you can also get other keyword ideas. Because, right, country trap, maybe you want to name country trap boy or something, country trap girl, something like that. And, get a broader spectrum there. But also up here, you have the competition score as well. And the competition score comes with the keywords, of course. And it's going to cache the data, so it's not going to see. You notice it was quick. It's not going to search that term again for like 24 hours, right? So you're not, if you accidentally delete it and go back, it's going to cache it for you, so you're not wasting credits. And I initially had this where if you clicked on one of these, it would auto search it for you. But I don't want everyone to accidentally waste their credits. So if you want to search, just copy it, or copy the little keyword to go searching. But I initially had it set up to just go search automatically if I wanted to. So I kind of liked it, but it is a little wasteful. I didn't mind. That's what the keys are for. But so if Hick Hop, never heard of that. That sounds pretty cool. I want to go search that. I'm going to copy and paste it. I did have it where you just click on it, go search, but it's kind of going to waste your searching. And if you're on the free plan, you don't want to just waste all 5 of your free searches a day. But you get 5 every day, so you can search the next day or something like that. Don't go crazy with it though, and because I'm paying for that. But yeah, that's pretty cool, country rap. And so this is a niche I'm looking into. I think it's an untapped niche. I think it's a growing niche is what it is. Not that it's largely untapped. I mean, there's plenty of people in there. But I think it's a growing niche, and I think there's room, and I just enjoy making that kind of music. So, and also, I made the video on it, and then turn around, the song winner ended up being this outlaw country rap, ended up winning this week in our weekly contest. But yeah, go use this for free, do your niche research, find a niche for you, right? Go check it out. And if you want to use the paid version, then you get unlimited keyword researches. And you can just go right to keywords, you get your YouTube and Google keywords. And, this tool is basically a beta tested tool right now, right? So, but if you do want to go pay for an account, you will go pay for one, and, you should be able to sign in and out right here and sign up for an account. But, yeah, go check it out first, and then, let's see, we'll sign out. I'll log in with a non-paid account that I just used all 5 of my searches on. And I should be able to, I'll remove this because y'all won't have access to an admin dashboard. I'll remove that. But so you'll be able to go to your account here and start your monthly plan. And it's going to take you over to Stripe, and you'll pay your $20 a month, and you'll get unlimited access, right, to everything, including, which I'm going to log out of this and go log back in to my paid account because I am paying myself to make sure everything works, of course. And if you have any issues, obviously just yell at me. Make sure to edit this out again. I edit out all my emails here. You'll be able to go to your AI strategy and put in your same keywords, whatever you want, right? Outlaw rap or dark or country rap, because I kind of like the outlaw variation. Country rap. And you can generate your niche overview. You won't be able to do this on the free plan, but you can also put your own API keys in here. You should be able to actually go to admin and put in your own API keys. So I need to update that. But you won't have access to my admin desktop. But you should be able to go in here and put in your API keys. And then, and if y'all have any issues, like I said, just come yell at me on Facebook, because it's just me making this and working on this in the background. But yeah, look, Old Town Road, it pops that up. It tells you the rhyme scheme, what's going on here. That's pretty cool. And then it analyzes some of the top songs, beats per minute. And I know y'all see me go over this before. Those are for the major stuff. Writing tips for it, right? How to write for it. And you can just literally download this and feed this to your LLM and say, hey, I want my music made like this, right? And or you could take it and tailor it. So you can just export this in whatever format you want. JSON, TXT, PDF. I like TXT and PDF, like especially for these ones. I would just do like TXT or whatnot and feed it right to, Claude. And if you wanted to make music like this, once you find it, you can just export this and we'll do CSV. It's going to auto download that. We'll actually just go over to Claude. I clicked on TXT. It looked like it downloaded as something different. Yeah, I didn't download an Excel. So you have to check on that because it shouldn't have downloaded an Excel. Did I click on the wrong thing? Oh, see, yeah, I must have clicked on PDF, but I wanted the Be able to open it with Notepad, check it out, see. It'll look like that. I probably clicked the wrong button. Too much talking. And then I'll do this, and you can feed that right to the LLM and say, hey, this is, the genre. I want to take over this niche, go something like this. And, I've got my battle command set up here. Right to Claude, and we can just feed that in there. You can just upload that right to Claude, right? I want to dominate this. Need to dominate this niche with AI music. We need an artist name, and I need your help to build an AI music empire to get those royalties, fam. And make sure get those massive royalties, fam. All right, so make sure we spell dominate. Oh, that's got an I in there. That doesn't go in there. What would happen? Boom. Too many extra letters, too many fat fingers. Right, and we'll just do that. Close that down for you. Let's nail the artist. It needs to feel authentic to the country rap blend. And, yeah, outlaw energy. See, it already knows. Outlaw AF as heck. Heck, brother. Drop full songs consistently, all the above. Streaming royalties. I love it. See, if you just give the AI your outcome, you tell it what you want, it's going to backwards plan from there for you and give you the directions you need, right? I can't explain to you how valuable that is, but you can see what's going on here. Might even use some of these directions, right? But videos coming in the future. Just really wanted to show you the tool that I was working on. I've got some more work to do on this, so I'm going to get off of here. But look at these names. It's got Dust and Iron. Hollow Point Haze. I love that name. That's Grit Wild. That's actually pretty good too. Deadwood and Co. That's also pretty dang good. Not going to lie. I do like Claude. Claude is just blowing all the LLMs away right now. It's the best in the market. I don't think anything's better for individual AIs, platforms, or whatever you want to call them. And it's pretty good. And yeah, it's going to walk me through that. So I've only been using DistroKid. Right now, everybody I've looked into has like some issues with something. And, they're like banning people and whatnot. So I haven't even I've only uploaded a couple albums this whole month. I did like two individuals. What do you call them? Singles. And they performed okay. They did fine. But they're not doing nothing wild. And I don't think it's worth it, based off of my minimal research to be doing singles. I think I should just do individual albums. But, yeah, there we go. You can build it out. Here's your metrics. It's even giving you those right here. But back to the tool. You can do the same thing. It'll give you a 30-day release plan. It'll build this out for you. You can use the AI for it, so you don't got to go over to another AI. But I made this really just so you can get in here and find your niches, right? I built the tool that I want for me to be able to find niches quickly. So when I go over here and I do outlaw rap or country rap or dark rap and I'm searching, it's going to pull them up for me. And I can kind of like look through quickly and I can get the visual of, I can look at the packaging of all my competition instantly, which is what I'm doing here, right? We're looking at the packaging. I can see everything. I can go, okay, I can see what they're doing. Outlaw rap, faith music, that right there piques my interest, right? And theoretically, I might even set this up to where this takes you right to YouTube eventually. But the YouTube videos everything takes you right there. So I like these. Here's the videos, for example. We can go click on some of these. Like this one's got like the rebel flags on there. I don't know if I'd go that route, but I'm sure somebody likes it. Let's check them out. Boom, that's who they pulled up 9 months ago. 5.7 million views, bro. They're getting it. 50K subscribers. Not bad. Look what they don't have, though. Look what they don't. What do they not have? What do we identify when we're looking at niches, right? They don't have anything outside of YouTube. That means whatever money they're making, that's all they're making, right? estimated 3.5. So if they have some subscribers or anybody, that's cool. But, they're pumping out music for sure, though. Cranking them out. Cool. And they're doing well. So, looks like they're crushing it, right? I would just recommend that they get some releases, right? Because that's what we're identifying here, is that that's how we know we can find good niches, is they don't have any releases. They just have videos, which means they have not gone to a distributor. They haven't done the DistroKid portion, which confuses a lot of people, which is why we're here. But yeah, go use the tool, go check it out. It's free. If you want to pay for it and you want to get the unlimited stuff and unlimited data and unlimited keywords, go do that. But the free portion is like phenomenal, right? You don't really need all that extra stuff. And if you're already paying for vidIQ, you don't need to, pay for any more keywords. But if you want to get rid of vidIQ and you want to find niches, this is where you want to be. All right. I'm still going to be working on it too. So if it's like down for an hour or down for some time, bear with me. Don't be too upset, especially if you're one of the paying members. We already got people paying, by the way. If you're a paying member on here, don't be upset. I am working on it all the time. And obviously you can just come yell at me on YouTube publicly whenever you want. Peace.